Hey there, and welcome to your journey towards financial growth. If you're new to investing or just looking to understand the basics, this is the perfect place to start. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about what investing really is. So, what does it mean to invest? In simple terms, investing is all about putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or even real estate that have the potential to grow in value over time. The goal? To make your money work for you, generating a return or profit down the road. Now, where do people get the money to invest? Well, it's important to start with the money you're willing to set aside, money that you won't need for everyday expenses. This can come from savings, bonuses, or even a small portion of your paycheck. Remember, you don't need a lot to get started. But before we get into the details, I want to hear from you. Use the comments section below to tell us where you're watching from and what level you're currently at in your investing journey. Are you a complete beginner, or maybe someone with a bit of experience? Let us know, we'd love to hear your story. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Before diving into the world of investing, you need to define your goals. Ask yourself, are you saving for a vacation, a new car, or maybe even retirement? Having clear financial goals helps you decide what kind of investments to make and how long to stay invested. Step 2. Start small. Now, here's something most people forget. Start small. You don't need a huge amount to get going. Start with a small portion of your income, just a little bit at first. You can always grow your investment over time as you get more comfortable. Step 3. Learn about stocks and bonds. Let's talk basics. Stocks versus bonds. Think of stocks as owning a tiny part of a company, where you could earn big but it's a bit risky. On the other hand, bonds are like lending money to a company or government, which is safer but comes with lower returns. Knowing the difference is key to understanding where to put your money. Step 4. Research before you invest. Before you invest a single penny, do your research. Check out a company's financial health. How are they doing in the market? Tools like Yahoo Finance or TradingView can give you a snapshot of their performance. It's all about making informed decisions. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. Here's a golden rule. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Spread your money across different assets like stocks, bonds, and even ETFs. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might still help you grow your wealth. Step 6. Focus on long-term investments. Here's a secret to success. Focus on the long game. Long-term investments give you the benefit of time. Think of it like planting a tree. It takes time to grow, but the rewards come later. Markets go up and down, but over the long term you're likely to see growth. Step 7. Use dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging sounds complicated, right? But it's simple. You invest a set amount regularly, no matter what the stock price is. Over time, this strategy helps smooth out the ups and downs in the market and makes investing less stressful. Step 8. Review your investments regularly. Once you've started investing, don't forget to check in. You don't have to obsess over it daily, but reviewing your portfolio every few months ensures that your investments are on track with your financial goals. Think of it like watering a plant. You check in but don't hover. Step 9. Stay informed about market trends. Markets are always moving, and staying informed is key. Keep up with the news, trends, and how the economy is doing. Global factors can affect your investments, so the more you know, the better you'll be at making smart decisions. Step 10. Have an exit strategy. Finally, always have an exit strategy. Know when to sell to lock in profits or cut your losses. It's tempting to hold on forever, but being strategic about when to exit can save you from unnecessary losses or help you cash in at the right time. And there you have it. 10 simple steps to get started on your investing journey. Remember, it's not about making quick money. It's about building wealth over time with patience, consistency, and smart decisions. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to stay updated on future tips and guides, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video.